Welcome. Today, we are excited to introduce you to our new 2D CNC wire bending machine for wire diameters from 2 to 8 millimeters. Our machine is a classic CNC wire bending machine with new improvements. The main innovation in this model is a more complex bending unit that allows working with 3 types of mandrels dies, namely, use of classic dies with diameters from 60 to 110 millimeters, use of miniature mandrels dies with diameters up to 12 millimeters, allowing the formation of small radius arcs from 13 millimeters and above, formation of arcs up to 320 degrees in one rotation of the turntable with the possibility of using tooling, dies, and a knife with a so-called reverse knife stroke, where the wire is cut by moving downward rather than upward, as in classic machines of this type. In this case, the knife also functions as a die. The use of this tool allows for even smaller wire bending radius and can be actively used for forming hooks, loops, cotter pins, and other similar parts. Main features of this 2D CNC machine: power, 9 kilowatts, providing efficient operation and high productivity. Wire diameter range from 2 to 8 millimeters, allowing processing of different types of wire with minimal additional adjustments. Simple control. The CNC system ensures ease of setup and management of the bending process, allowing for quick switching between different tasks for manufacturing various parts. Reliability. The design of the machine ensures stable and reliable operation even with intensive use over a long period, provided timely maintenance is performed. Customization option. We offer the possibility of painting the machine in the customer's colors according to the RAL color standard, allowing it to be integrated into your production environment while maintaining corporate style. The machine is compact and easy to install in the production area, ensuring space optimization. If you are looking for a reliable and high-performance wire bending machine, our CNC machine is a great choice. Order the machines and contact us at the numbers displayed on the screen. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.